Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp Web on laptop easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using WhatsApp Web on your laptop, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in web.whatsapp.com and press enter. You will be directed to the WhatsApp web page, which displays a QR code. Next, grab your smartphone and open the WhatsApp application. On the top right corner of your phone screen, tap on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Link Devices or point your phone's camera at the QR code on your laptop screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp account will connect to the web version. You will now be able to see your chats and messages on the laptop screen. To send a message, click on any chat or start a new one by clicking the green message icon. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and press enter to send. You can also use the paperclip icon to attach files, photos, or documents. If you want to log out, click on the three vertical dots in the top left corner. Select Log Out to disconnect from WhatsApp Web. To stay logged in for future use, simply close the browser without logging out. Remember to keep your phone connected to the internet while using WhatsApp Web. Now you can enjoy chatting on a larger screen effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.